Hey, third grade, this is Miss Liberty. Today for writing, we are going to be working on taking our photo, and we're going to talk about what makes a good photo for this assignment. So to review what we have done so far this week, we have brainstormed the best parts of us, and I went through each of these to see which I could come up with three reasons on why this was the best part of me. Then we filled in our three reasons that are each different from one another and took those reasons and put them into a graphic organizer on Wednesday. So today is Thursday, so we're going to complete the Thursday slide, and I went ahead and took a few pictures here, and I wanted to see if you all can help me out in picking the best photo for me. So I'm going to think through each of these photos and talk about why or why not it would be a good photo for me to use. So now remember, I chose my eyes as the best part of me. So I need to make sure my eyes are included. So being that in this picture I have my feet. My feet was another best part of me, but it is not the one that I picked. So I'm going to take this photo and delete it. Another option that I had for the best part of me was my hair, and I love this braid that I put into my hair today, but it's not what I chose, so I don't need to have my hair as a photo. So now I'm down to these three photos. Now this one shows my whole face, this one shows my whole face with my eyes closed, and this is just my eyes. So if I want to show the best part of me, I wouldn't hide it by closing my eyes. So I'm going to get rid of this photo. And I like this photo of me because it is a photo that I took after I saw some of my students on Zoom, and I'm very happy in it. But this could be anything. This could be my face is the best part of me, my nose, my teeth, my shoulder. So it's not really clear, and I want it to be very clear to my reader what the best part of me is. So I'm going to take out that photo. So now I'm left with this photo here. And this is just of my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into the middle here. To take your photo, you are going to click the camera on the side and select photo. And when you do, you're going to try to take that photo of just the body part that you chose. So remember on here, I had my feet, I had my hair, I had my whole face. I don't want to have any of that. I want to have just my eyes because that is the best part of me in my opinion. And we're going to stop here for Thursday. So to review the week and get you all caught up, Monday we brainstormed. Tuesday we came up with reasons. Wednesday we put our reasons into our graphic organizer to include our introduction and closing. And Thursday is focusing on taking a photo of the best part of us. Please let myself or your teacher know if you have any questions.